Well, good morning. It's about 4:15, August 20th, 2024, Tuesday morning. We're going to try to get home and mow the lawn today again. It rains, grass grows, and they mess with us if we don't mow it. I look forward to retiring, because once I retire, I'm not going to touch another lawnmower. As far as I'm concerned, lawnmowers are something that I just don't need to touch, especially if I'm in the Philippines. That can be somebody else's job. I just don't know about you, but I'm done with mowing lawns. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Sometimes you have something that kind of is irritating, and you just have to tolerate it because of the situation. And it just sits there and it gnaws at you for a long time. It's amazing that sometimes, something like that, you have to sit there and deal with it. And then when it's gone, you realize how miserable it really was. I don't know about you, but there's a person gone out of my life, and I'm happy about it. Good riddance, that kind of thing. I realized that my life is going to be better without that person around. So yay! That's a good thing. And yeah. Sadly, there are a lot of folks that are just miserable people that cause pain in your life. I try not to mess with people too much. It's better to not be in somebody's life that doesn't want you in their life. It's just one of those things. If somebody makes your life miserable by their being there, it's better to, if you can, just get away from it. You don't need somebody making your life miserable or worse, because they're there. And if you're causing somebody, pain and misery like that because you're there, well, I hope you're not doing it intentionally. And if you are doing it intentionally, I hope it's because they've really annoyed you enough to make you want to. But sometimes you don't get the option to take and push them away like that. But today I'm kind of in a good mood. I have one less headache in my life that I have to deal with. And as far as I'm concerned, that's a good thing. How do you spell relief? Goodbye! Oh. Yeah, there's an old joke, ROLAIDS, relief. Or some guys at the bar in the middle of at the bar at night, they have to make that run because, the beer's only rented How do you spell relief? Piss. Just saying. It is what it is. Anyway. Yeah. Somebody's gone and I'm in a good mood about it. That's a good thing. Anyway. But I can say I used to have the neighbors that were at my, next door to me. They had somebody there who played karaoke while I was asleep. And I used to think that, it was annoying. But after many years, I got used to it. And then they just sold the house and they moved. Guess what? There's stuff that's in the world that's more annoying than karaoke. I'm missing my next door neighbors and their karaoke. Yeah. But I'm not talking about this isn't the same thing. It's just kind of remembering that, yeah, I can remember when I used to grumble about the karaoke, and then I got to the point where I was used to it. And now I've got somebody there that literally makes me wish the karaoke was back. How's that for growth in life? It is. An interesting thought. Anyway, I'm hoping, to get over and get some lawn mowed this morning. I got home this morning and realized that, I didn't have enough energy to want to take and do much other than just eat and go to sleep. Today I just got through eating tuna fish sandwiches. I didn't even do the chips. I'm trying to avoid the cheap calories, I guess. But I have a bunch of tuna fish that needs to be eaten. So today I popped open a couple cans of tuna fish and made 3 sandwiches. And inhaled. I wish I'd have cooked up some eggs to go in that and brought all the fixings to make it good, but hey, choices have consequences. I chose not to bring that stuff. Actually, I forgot to bring that stuff. But I had my tuna fish here, and well, I was hungry, and yay. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, got to get rid of stuff. And there's always things that got to be taken care of. My pantry does need to be emptied. So I'm going to try to really cut down my grocery bill. It's been averaging less than $25 a week. Actually, I think I've been there. In the last month, I've gone to the grocery store 3 times. I spent $15 once, $35 once, and $20. So $70 for the month. Yeah. Of course, that's because I got a lot of stuff stacked up in the pantry. Stuff in the freezer. But hey, I'm still running across occasionally good price on food. Sorry. I should have got more sleep. Some days it just doesn't get around to being good sleep. It is what it is. It's probably that's part of the reason I'm missing the karaoke people, because they really only messed around with karaoke on Friday and Saturday nights. The rest of the time they didn't mess around. They didn't have a lot of noise going on. My new neighbors, they seem to be making noise every day. I don't know. It's not because I have my hearing aids in. I'm hearing them even without my hearing aids, which is pretty bad. Because, yeah, they're noisier than my karaoke people. I guess I'll have to just get used to it, at least for the rest of the year. Well, the next 6 months, 8 months. Past that I can, yeah. But it looks like at this point, right at 9 months, a little over. So yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. I'm gonna get this posted. I'm at 141 members, subscribers, so thank you. I appreciate y'all. Anyway, I appreciate you being there and listening, watching, and yeah, if you want to go back and listen to other stuff, there are videos in there. There's also the playlist for just the daily vlog, and like I say, I'm going to try to add a few other videos in my daily vlog, and do that until I leave here. And then I don't know, I'm kind of getting used to the idea of being here for a short bit every day. I don't know. But I do want to try to put out other videos also. That getting to the Philippines will definitely help there. Give me something that I do. Because nobody wants to watch me mow a lawn. At least I don't think so. Why would anybody want to watch me mow a lawn? I just couldn't imagine that. But, yeah. It is what it is. Anyway. I'm going to get this posted and get to doing breakfast. We're about 2/3 full here, so I'll have an actual good breakfast, or a good number of people here for breakfast. And apparently there's well, actually, we're about 80%, maybe 85% full. So there's going to be a big breakfast. The boss called and made sure I got the note that, hey, have breakfast ready. There's going to be a bunch of people for it. Apparently there's a couple of groups that want to get in and out early. So, yay. Take care of the things the boss wants taken care of, because, hey, he signs the funny little green pieces of debt paper called checks. Yeah. But it does put funds into my bank account, which means I get to pay some debt with my debt that I just earned. Because all money is debt. Well, unless you're actually using real money. Not a lot of places have real money anymore. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe the world will get smart and start going back to bartering for most things. Just saying. Anyway. Y'all have a good day. Blessings. Later. Bye bye. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and I hope everybody gets a good meal today. Fish. Fish is out.